So we have tried to put the fire on, and we have failed so far.
Yes. And our
Olivia.
burritos are cold.
And our burritos and our food is cold.
Now we have to go find sticks.
Yeah, so we have to go find sticks so that we can roast our... Yay, we finally got it started. There she is.
We can find our house and
See.
dog.
Now we have to figure out, yeah, how to
The dog getting splinters in his teeth. That's the goal.
Yes.
We're gonna have splinters in our hot dogs.
Oh, yes.
The hot dog is in the fire of doom.
We are now roasting marshmallows. Now saying goodnight to all the horses on the barn. Look at you, buddy. Buddy boo. Say hello to the nice crop. Calm down, you crazy weirdo. Oh, he looks mad. Look, that's kind of cute. Oh my gosh, he looks mad.
He loves me.
Now to burn an entire magazine.
Alright, go.
Oh my gosh! Woo! There it goes. What a beauty. Oh, look at the boots. Those beautiful horse boots. Up in flames. Oh, that looks so beautiful. Oh, look, there go the $350 joggers. And, oh, look at those jackets. I need those. I need those. What else is there? I see some saddle pads that are nice. And I think everything else is blackness. Goodbye. Okay, we are now going into our fort. And getting ready to go. Voila. Yay.
We have Fort Living Room and Fort Sleep.
Okay, so we failed. There was an earthquake, a decent-sized earthquake, and we came inside because, our fort could have very well killed us. We made it till like 1:15 a.m., so technically we spent a night in there. Yeah, we were in there for like only 3 hours. And it was very comfy for me, and then out of nowhere it's like okay, so you know how like the football has the net up there? I was like, someone pops their head like over the net. I was sitting there, I was like,